You can't talk nuclear power without first talking about uranium. But when people hear that name, they often think of nuclear weapons, not clean, reliable electricity. A single kilogram of uranium, 235, can produce the same amount of energy as 17,000 kilograms of coal or 2,200 kilograms of gasoline. And that's just the energy produced from one single fuel source. There are no emissions, no greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. Nuclear power is not some dangerous, outdated form of energy production. In fact, it's undergoing a renaissance with innovative designs like small modular reactors that are safer, more efficient, and cost-effective. These advancements are making nuclear power more attractive than ever before. It's carbon-free electricity, clean and reliable energy source that can help us meet our growing energy demands without the huge carbon footprint. It's time to stop fearing the atom and start harnessing its power for a brighter, more sustainable future. And when I say carbon-free, I mean it. Unlike coal and natural gas, uranium doesn't produce any carbon dioxide emissions during operation. That's a huge plus when we're trying to combat climate change. But here's the thing. The world needs to get off fossil fuels, and fast. And no single energy source can do that alone. But compared to fossil fuels, which are, well, fossil fuels, uranium is a relatively clean option. Okay, so it's powerful and clean. Unlike fossil fuels, which leave behind tons of waste products that need to be dealt with, nuclear power plants produce very little waste that is safely stored on site. Now, I know there's a lot of talk about nuclear waste and its disposal. But let me put it this way. The amount of waste generated by a nuclear power plant is minuscule compared to the amount of waste produced by coal or gas plants. But what about consistency? You know, we need electricity 24/7, 365 days a year. Can uranium provide that baseload electricity that our modern society demands? Absolutely. Nuclear power plants produce electricity at a steady rate, providing the reliable baseload power that we need. This consistency is crucial because unlike solar and wind, which depend on sometimes unpredictable weather conditions, uranium doesn't care if it's raining, snowing, or sunny. It produces power at a constant rate. We need all hands on deck. So let's dive into why uranium is more than just fuel for the bombs they dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. It's a fuel for a future that we need to build. First off, the energy density of uranium is just mind-blowing. Now, mining and processing uranium does have some environmental impact. And let's not forget about the zero waste aspect of nuclear power, okay? So it's time to clear up another misconception. So here's the bottom line. Uranium is a powerful,